You're here because you just bought a set of Koni 88 or 90 Raid shock absorbers for your four-wheel drive, and you're thinking, how the bloody shit do I adjust these things? These instructions here in my back pocket, these little drawings make no sense at all. Fear not, I took the time and struggled to figure it out myself, and there's no comprehensive video anywhere on YouTube for it, so this will be it. First of all, take your shock and stretch it all the way up. Now if you look at the top of your shock absorber, you'll see a couple of little holes. And there's actually a piece of rubber in there. It's about that tall, and what it does is it limits the top of the shock absorber from coming all the way down, because it's all the way at the bottom that you can do your adjustment. So you obviously don't want it coming out of adjustment, so there's a rubber stopper. So for the rubber stopper, you're going to need quite a long implement, and you just work it down the holes there. Work the little rubber stopper, you'll feel it go down bit by bit. And then, once it's at the bottom, sort of just finger it out. That's it there. It's got a little slit in the side. So, pull that out, and now we push this all the way down. Now, I don't know, it depends on you. You might want to mark it so you can see how far you've turned it. I'm just going to keep the Koni label just in line with where it says Koni-Holland, like that. Now, if you turn it, you'll feel that it's locked in a bit. And then they say every 180 degree turn is one setting. You can go a maximum of 4 settings, so a total of 720 degrees. They start on their softest from the factory. So that would be 1 setting there. 2 settings, 360 degrees. 3 settings, 180. 4 settings, we're up at 720. Now, oh, that's made a huge difference. That is really firm. So that's its firmest setting. That's not what I want. I'm actually going to start on the softest. So just go back. 360, another 360, and that is as far as it goes. And that's how you tell you're on the softest setting. So there you go. That's how to adjust a Koni 88 or 90 Raid shock absorber. Has to be out of the vehicle, unfortunately, but once you get the hang of it, pretty easy. Then we just stretch that back open and put that rubber stopper back in. Rubber stopper goes in, and make sure you press the body all the way back. Go a bit further. There we go, and now the rubber stopper is right back at the top there. Done. Hope you enjoy this little tutorial. I do a lot of backyard mechanics and that sort of thing on this channel, so make sure you give us the thumbs up if this has helped you out, and subscribe to the channel for more handy four-wheel drive tips and adventures in the future.